sent a human
25.
to space.
Status check. Go Atlas. Go Centaur. Go Starliner. Godspeed, Sonny.
15 seconds. And here we go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. RD-180 engines start. And liftoff. Liftoff of the Atlas V rocket carrying NASA astronauts Butch Wilmore and Sonny Williams. The Starliner crew flight test is now skyward.
Houston, Starliner roll.
Roger roll.
Starliner Atlas beginning its rollover maneuver, bringing Butch and Sonny into a heads-up position. Let's listen to the roar of that RD-180 engine and those two solid rocket motors. The Atlas continues to climb as we're approaching Mach 1. The Atlas V now soaring through the clouds above Florida's Space Coast.
You got a good throttle up.
And this view from our friend Pete Carson's with Max Q Productions. Great view of that initial burn of the Atlas's RD-180 engine and the two solid rocket boosters. SRB jettison is coming up now in just a little,
SRB burnout.
about 30 seconds.
Good SRB.
About T plus 2 minutes and 20.4 seconds.
Good handle.
Good handle.
Coming up now about 10 seconds away from SRB jettison. And there they go. Now about 2.5 minutes into this first crewed flight test for the Starliner spacecraft, things are moving nominally with this Atlas V flight. The third time, in fact, was the charm. Coming up next will be the Atlas booster engine cutoff, BECO.
CLT in that good trajectory.
CLT.
It's coming up at about T plus 4 minutes, 28.9 seconds. And a beautiful view of Florida's Space Coast in the eastern United States as the Atlas vehicle continues its ascent. It's going to be flying just under an orbital trajectory. It'll allow the safest flight path, according to ULA, for the Starliner spacecraft. If something were to happen during this ascent period, it gives the most opportunities for an abort if one is needed. The Starliner spacecraft is capable of doing its own orbital insertion burn, which it will do following separation of the spacecraft. Starliner separation comes up at T plus 14 minutes, 55.4 seconds.
And there you have it.